Why making a mold is so expensive? And maybe today let me take you through the reason.
First, the cost of mold materials is high. Second, mold processing involves high complexity, include multiple steps such as drilling, milling, grinding, polishing, ADM machining, weld cutting, assembly, and so on. Third, labor and time costs are high. Experienced engineers are required for mold design, and machine operators also need extensive experience. Fourth, management costs and added value are high. Quality control and technological innovation are emphasized during mold manufacturing to enhance the added value of the mold. These efforts also contribute to the increased cost of the mold. Fifth, other factors include mold trial, which is a crucial step in verifying the quality and performance of the mold. It consumes significant materials and manpower, and the cost of mold trial accounts for a certain proportion of the total mold cost.
That's all for today's review. If you need high quality mold, remember to contact us.